Why, hello there, and good evening, everybody. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area, near Westtown Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road, ready to report to you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days here in just a few moments. I've got something new to share with you tonight, and I'll go ahead and let you look at it while I'm reading well, I call them stats, but I also call them historical climate summary on one of my blogs, so I'll call them either or tonight. But I'll go ahead and read to you a few of the stats, then I'll show you the map that I was going to show you, courtesy of Weather Underground. I'm running a little late tonight. Apologize for that. But back at 4 p.m. when I done a summary, as of 4 p.m., the skies were clear here at that time. The temperature was 73 degrees. The dew point was 42 degrees. The relative humidity was 33%. The wind was calm, and the barometric pressure was 30.02 inches of mercury. Now today's low temperature was another cool 43 degrees. That was not a record coldest low, which happens to be 37 degrees back in 1969, but it was still nice and cool though. Today's high was a fabulous 75 degrees. Had no rainfall here in North Jackson today, of course. Today's lowest relative humidity was 33% at 4 p.m. and the highest was 100%, and that was at 6 a.m. this morning. Now the lowest barometric pressure today was 29.95 inches, and that occurred at 12 a.m., while the highest was 30.08 inches, and that occurred at 10 a.m. through 12 p.m. And today's highest wind gust was 14 miles per hour out of the northwest at 2:06 p.m. And I forgot to write down the sunrise and sunset times. I might try to do that here in just a minute. I'll go ahead and give you the records for May the 7th. The record hottest high for today would be 93 degrees, and that was in 1952. The coolest high would be 59 degrees, and that occurred in 1981, while the warmest low would be 72, and that occurred in 2002, and the coldest low, like I mentioned, was 37 degrees in 1969. Today's rainfall record would be 2.23 inches, and that fell in 1978. Let me just go ahead and show you the map, and I'll worry about the sunrise and sunset times later. Okay, hold on. Oh, excuse me. Didn't mean to shock you and the map. This is a new map feature. I decided to go with this one, courtesy of Weather Underground. It's as of right now, 9:15 p.m. It actually shows, if you can see it good enough, the frontal systems and the precipitation where it is right now. A national radar, basically. You can see where it's raining and where it isn't. And you see the various low pressure systems around us. It's raining, as you can see, up northeast in the parts of Maine, New York, and that area. Clear here, of course. We got a high pressure just about right over the Tennessee River, it looks like. And a cold front to our south, a stationary front to our west. It's going to turn around and move back through probably tomorrow as a warm front, or overnight anyway. And that kind of gives you an idea of the weather going around the country in one map feature. And that lets you see where the rain is occurring. Excuse that little block there. But here in Tennessee, of course, we're in the clear. Now I'm going to try something and see if I can get it to work correctly. Is that the right movement? Well, it's not moving yet. Alright, I know what I need to do. Do this way. Ah, that's a little bit closer, isn't it? Alright. I'll look at that one real quick. That's the same one we just looked at, but as you can see, Tennessee is in the clear. The closest rain is in West Virginia up there, and points north. It's scattered stuff over there though, nothing major. Nothing major around here, of course. And there's that precipitation again out west. There's two cold fronts up there, as you can see. But we're north of the stationary front. And that's the current amount as of, like I said, right now. Let me get one more closer view. I believe I can get just a touch. There we go. Let me scoot it over a little bit. Let me. There we go. That's a closer view of Tennessee there. And as you can see, we're in the clear. There's that high right over southwestern Middle Tennessee. And the front that's to our southwest. And then the closest precipitation to us is over there in the Colorado area. Other than what was up there in Virginia a while ago, but my other thing is covering it right now. Okay, I'm going to let you just keep looking at it while I'm reading you the forecast. Obviously, the weather's going to be nice for the next few days. Okay, the sun, excuse me, I haven't got that yet. I probably can get that pretty quick. Hold on just a minute, and I'll give it to you real fast. The sun sets tonight, or did set, at 7:47 p.m. and it'll be rising tomorrow morning at 6:56 a.m. The moon will be setting tomorrow morning at 4:26 a.m. and be rising tomorrow morning at tomorrow afternoon weather at 5:52 p.m. And that's enough information on that, I think. So let me go back to the forecast part. Okay. Tonight's forecast calling for mostly clear skies tonight and tomorrow, all the way through Wednesday actually. We should have a low temperature tomorrow morning of 49 degrees. Tomorrow's high should get up to 82. That's going to feel nice. We will have south winds tomorrow at 10 to 20 miles per hour. On Tuesday, it's going to be mostly clear, like I mentioned. Low near 59 and a high of 85 with west winds at 10 to 20. Wednesday, mostly clear, low near 61, high of 85 with west winds at 10 to 20. And on Thursday, it's going to be fair skies most of the day, but becoming cloudy by Thursday night with a good 80% chance for some rain and thunderstorms by then. The low should be near 64, the high should be near 83, and we should have west winds at about 10 to 20. And on Friday, there's an 80% chance for showers and thunderstorms on Friday, ending by Friday night and becoming fair, with the low near 61 and a high of 67, with north winds at 10 to 20. And right now, next weekend looks great. Saturday and Sunday both. Generally fair, mostly fair to fair. In other words, clear to mostly clear generally. Low Saturday morning should be near 50. The high should be near 74. We should have north winds at 10 to 20. On Sunday, it should be a low of 50 and a high of 75, with north winds at 10 to 20 on Sunday. And I'll leave it at that, and I think that covers everything that I normally would try to cover for you. I didn't cover the satellite, but let me see if it'll come up real quick, and then I'll let it go, if it will. At least West Tennessee. That one, there it comes. I'll have to use the enhanced version though. Okay, and this is as of 9 p.m. Okay, it's not too bad. This is satellite as of 9 p.m., which is not that long ago, really. Tennessee's clear. The whole entire state is. Look at that. Good gracious. The whole state's clear. A few little minor clouds up in Illinois. Yeah, clear skies everywhere. All around us. Cool. Alright. Let me see this and one more come up and then I'll let it go. See how fast it comes up. It may want to fight me. And it is. Might have known. There is one other one. Without killing a lot of time. Let me try this one. That'd be good enough. Yeah. That'll give you a pretty good idea of how widespread. That all black is clear. And it's pretty much black all over. Just like the other one was showing. Clear skies just about everywhere. Including at least Florida. Definitely West Tennessee, as you can see. Alright. Well, I think that's it for tonight, folks. I'm going to leave it at that. I hope all of you have a very pleasant Sunday night, May 7th, 2017. Hope you wake up to a beautiful Monday, May the 8th, 2017. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day, like I mentioned, low of 49 and high of 82 tomorrow. And looks like it's going to be beautiful all the way through at least Thursday. And then we'll have rain moving in by Thursday night. That's the way it's looking right now. Well, okay, that's it for tonight, folks. I guess I'll turn it back on me temporarily. I don't usually do that, but I will tonight. I hope you all wake up, like I said, to a beautiful Monday, May the 8th, 2017. And I hope we get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, good night, my friends, and may God bless you.